Hello, what's up again? It is African TV, Village TV in East African Kenya. Today I have come with the good news. Yeah, I have come to explore about several plants and several food crop here in East African Kenya. The crop we are looking now, this is what we call a cassava. Cassava, it is a food crop, very sweet. As you can see, it is very green. This is a cassava farm. A cassava farm. As you can see, that is a cassava farm. Yeah, this is located in East Africa. It is a food crop and also a cash crop. And behind me, this is what we call a millet. A millet and sorghum mixed by a maize. As you can see, let me turn up the camera. Then you can. This is the millet and the sorghum. So here I'm here to just explore something good to bring you, and you can watch it. As you can see at the end far there, you can see that is a banana trees, yeah, avocado trees, and some tall trees like, yeah, I don't know that the species, but I will go and found it out. You can see maize. Yeah, people planting here maize, something good like that. But I'm interested by this cassava. People using cassava. This is the ancient, yeah, the ancient food, yeah, from our ancestors. Yeah, they used this. Yeah, it is a tuber. You can just uproot, then you can just take it as a food. I'm here exploring more about East African community. Then I bring you good things like that. I have shown you a cassava and more other things which are good. I'm going to show you another thing which you have ever seen. I'm goes by the name Peter. My channel goes by the name African TV, Village TV. Continue watching, subscribing, comment, and also share. Some cassava. Today this is yams. You can just call it arrowroots. Yeah, these yams. It is being farmed in a small scale farming. It is a small scale farming. Yeah, you just call it arrowroots. It is usually grown at the wet and dry area. Yeah, you can just call it yo guys. So I was showing you that was yams, and these are yams. Yeah, it is grown at the wet and the cool place. Yeah, depending to the climatic change in the place. This grown in East African Kenya. Yeah, it is grown, yeah, at the place of wet and cool, all wet and hot. And it is usually grown up around the river because of wet of that river, so that it can get the it can get water through that deep soil which has a lot of water. And remember that this yams, it is a tuber. It is a tuber. Remember, it is a tuber crop. It is a tuber. You just cut the stem, then you just sink it to the mud. Yeah, it is usually, I told you, it is usually grown in alongside the river. Yeah, it is alongside the river. That is the place where it is good, which have a fertile and well drained season. Yeah, at the time, maybe you can ask that when it reaches the time of flooding, what could it be? No, according to the flooding, when flooding comes to the river, this it is now it is the time where these yams get to abstain a lot of water, to get a lot of water, because that flood make it to germinate well. So it is here African TV, Village TV, here to explore more about a village things. Then I'm here to give you good things. I have show you cassava. Yeah, these now yams. Let me show you a young yams. Yeah, like so. As you can see, this is a small yam. Yeah, a fresh. This is a fresher. As you can see, the although it is on the weed, the owner of a farm, it is not weeding. I don't know why. Is he tired? I don't know what is going wrong with him. But 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 hope everything will be good. As you can see, this is a very small one. Yeah, small one. As you can see, this one small one. And if you want to plant these, you can just uproot using a knife or panga. Then you can just go and dig, then you can plant. As you can see, yeah, nice. Last one, it is a river bank. It is alongside the river bank, and everything nice, everything good about the yams. Remember, yams, it is a food crop. It is a food crop and cash crop. People are planting these yams, yeah, by it can be a food crop. Others can use it as they can eat. Yes, others can eat, and others can just sell and get money. So guys, wherever you are watching this from, subscribe to my channel, goes by African TV. Comment to my channel, share, watch all videos. Love you all. I'm just viewing this from East African Kenya. Village boy, village life. Bye bye. Let's meet on the next video for exploring more about the different species of plants, different species of food crop and cash crops here in Eastern Africa. Bye bye.